Today we need to replace the missing crystal from this ring, and you can see from the back that we need unfoiled pointed back chattens in a really dark blue. But we also need to establish what size of crystal we need. So we're measuring the space we need to fill with a ruler, and we're taking that measurement to our website, bluestreetcrystals.com, and under Help and Services in Guides, you're going to find a size chart. This will convert those millimeters into a PP or an SS crystal size, which is going to be very helpful when you go to the product page and select the size, quantity and colour of crystals that you need for your project. For this ring, we established that Preciosa's Deep Sea Unfoiled Chattens were the best match for the stones already in there, and now we're ready to place our crystal. We're putting a tiny amount of gem tack in there first, just to help hold the crystal in place, and we're using a wax picker pencil to place the crystal into its new home. We're going to make sure the crystal sits at the right angle by nudging it with the metal tweezers, and as a final security we are going to use chain nose pliers to clamp down the teeth on the setting over the edge of the stone, and now we're good.